So I'm going to leave the repair kit in the video description below. This is pretty much what the repair kit consists of. It's $20 with free shipping on Amazon, and it usually fixes the T-Con board. Okay, I did the repair kit and it didn't work out so well for me. The TV ended up being defective again after 3 seconds. I'm thinking that it's either the repair kit or I have a defective LCD panel, and every time I plug in the LCD panel to the T-Con board, it's shorting out the T-Con board. So now this time around, I'm going to leave the T-Con, the LCD panel ribbon cable connections unplugged for now, and I want to check the voltages on this T-Con board and see if they're steady. Now if they're steady for more than 10 seconds, then I can assume that there is a chance I have a defective LCD panel. Now, signs that you have a defective LCD panel and not a defective T-Con board are: one side of the picture is darker than the other side of the picture has horizontal lines left and right, not vertical lines up and down. A dark or cloudy spot spreads across the picture. Now, these are signs of a defective LCD panel. Now, if you have a backlight glow on the screen but no picture, that can mean that your voltage from the power supply is not going to your T-Con board, so you would check your power supply. Or your main logic board, also known as the AV board or audio video board, is not sending a signal to the T-Con board. I'm going to show you how to check that. Or your T-Con board itself is defective, or the LCD screen is defective. Now, once you find out if it is the T-Con board, you confirm the T-Con board number and make sure you have the right version. You look at the ZH stamped on the board. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the T-Con connections, and if the board shorts out again, then I'm working with a defective LCD panel, which sucks because then the customer's out a 70-inch TV, and then I'm out $20 for the repair kit and $50 for the other T-Con board right here. Now, sometimes the buffer boards that are connected hardwired to the LCD panel can be defective, but you can't order the buffer boards that are hardwired to the LCD panel. You would have to order the whole LCD panel, which costs hundreds of dollars. So let's go ahead and plug in the power. Press power on the TV, and the backlight should kick on. And it looks like it is glowing right now. Put my black lead on a ground source. Let's go test these test points on the T-Con connections right here. All these solder pads that you see, they're all test points. So let's go ahead and check out the T-Con display connection voltage. So I start with pin 1. Pin 1 is, I think, ground, so it's going to read 0 volts no matter what. Yeah, 0 volts. So pin 2, the solder pad, negative 6 volts. Pin 3, 34 volts or 35 volts. Looks like pin 4, 0. Let's move on to the next one. 0, 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts. It's steady. It's rock solid. I just tested pins 1 through 10. Let's check pin 1. I think it's ground, 0 volts. Pin 2, minus 6 volts, 35 volts. Let's keep on moving down, further down. 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volt. So let's go ahead and now plug in the T-Con cable from the LCD panel. I have the TV unplugged right now. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Power cord is unplugged. Let's go ahead and close this. Put these ribbon cable connections in. So the LCD panel is connected. So let's go see if the TV turns on. TV's plugged in. The new T-Con board is plugged up. We're hitting power. All right. Oh, we got a sign right there. The TV is on. I'm hitting menu. Nothing. Oh, There's the menu. Oh, the menu's up. Oh, look, it's going bad again. See that? It was good for a second, and now it's defective again. Look at that. That pisses me off. This is a bad LCD panel. I wasted $20 on a repair kit and $50 on a T-Con board. Holy crap. So no matter what T-Con board you're going to plug in, if you're getting this, that's not a good sign. Let's check the voltage now, right here on pin 1 through 10, and see what kind of voltage we get. We're getting 0 volts on that one, 0 volts, 0 volts, 0 volts, 0 volts, 0, 0, 0, 0. We're getting like not even a volt. TV is shot. It's dead. I'm gonna recycle it and drop it off at Best Buy. They recycle TVs. So yeah, if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. Hopefully this video did help you out in some way or fashion. Maybe the voltages, in the video will help you, guide you to fix your TV. T-Con board is a common repair for this TV. I'm just one of the unlucky few that ended up getting a defective panel.